Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another video for Roadbuster. After seeing how well that video did, I figured I would make a tutorial for how to properly transform this figure. So this video is mainly here for anybody who lost their instruction manual for this figure and don't know how to transform it, or if you don't know how to follow the directions super well, since sometimes Hasbro's instructions can be a little unclear, I have this video here to help. So let's get into the video. So starting off with the first step, we are going to want to remove this little minigun piece. Next, we're going to want to fold both arms in, just like that. Then after that, we're going to want to extend the arms out on this little hinge here on both sides like that. Moving our way down to the legs, we're going to want to fold this up, his foot up, and fold this around like that. And we'll do that on both sides. Fold this up, fold this around, actually wrong way, fold this around, and press this piece down on the back, and we're gonna have it just like that. Now we're gonna turn the figure around. We're going to clip in his feet like this. It's very simple. Just make sure all the tabs line up. There's a tab down here that you have to line up, and they'll all come together like that. And then here, we're going to want to pull the backpack away like this. There's a little tab right there, as you can see, that tabs into the back piece right here. We're going to want to fully extend it like this, and then we're going to slide the backpack out like that. And then after you slide it, you're going to want to lift this piece up and out the way like that. Then moving to the front, you're going to want to fold out the side panels on both sides like that. Now with that out of the way, you're going to have to pull this down. There's a little tab right here that tabs in right here. So pull that all the way down and we'll tab in like that. So now moving back to the arms, we're going to fold these in. There's a tab right here that will tab into this tab right here. So you just fold it in just like that. We do that on the opposite side. So now you're going to take this, the arm, rotate it up and slide it in. So get it behind this piece right here and slide it in like this, and make sure you rotate this out the way, fold it up like that, and push it in like that. You're going to do the same on the other arm like that. So now with all that tabbed up, you're going to press down on everything right here, make sure it's all lined up here, and then you're going to come to the back, and there's two tabs, one tab right here and another tab on the other side, which will tab into the arms right here. So you just push in like that, hold on, just like this. It takes a little bit of lining things up, but it'll just click in like that, and do the same for the other side. Get these missile pods out your way. It'll make things a little easier. Push in like that. Then moving on to the front, you're going to take these tabs. There's some tabs right under the, right, if you can see it right there, there's some tabs right there that would tab into these tabs right here. So, or right here, my bad. And they'll just click in like that. So you kind of have to put your fingers right here on the bottom and bring them up. So make sure this is tilted forward and just click in like that. It'll take a little bit of effort, but once everything is lined up, it'll just click in like that and just keep all this pushed in. Also make sure these wheels are folded all the way down or the tabs won't actually tab in. Now on my copy, it doesn't tab in well, so you just have to force it to fit. And then we are getting close to being done. We're going to take the missile pods. We're going to slide them into this tab right here. There's a tab right here, and I'll tab in right here. So they just move backward like that, and they will go into the tab right here. Do the same for the other side. And then you have the missile pods in place. And then for the final step, you take the little minigun thing and you just tab it into the front like this. It will just fit into this slot right here. And once you push it in like this, you now want to slide it backward, and you will hear a little click when you push it in. And just like that, you have Roadbuster in his vehicle mode. Just make sure everything is tabbed in, and just like that, it's very simple to transform him. Now we're going to put him back into robot mode. So now putting him back in robot mode, we're going to do everything in reverse. So we're going to pull this piece out like this, and then pull this up. Then we're going to slide the missile pods out like that on both sides. Then we're going to untab the front like that, untab the roof to give us some more space. Then your nail between these parts, or you can pull on the side on these bits right here and just hold it like this, and you can pull apart on one side and pull apart on the other side. Then with this out the way, you can just wiggle the arm out on this hinge right here. Just wiggle it up and it'll come out like that. We can do the same on the other side and it'll come out just like that. Then we're going to fold the arms out like that. Do that on both sides. What I like to do is I actually like to turn them around and come to the legs and separate the legs. And then I would like to untab this bit right here by folding both of these up. And then we're going to unfold the feet right here, just like that, and on both sides. And then we're going to fold this up right here. So twist it around till it clicks in like that. Then we come back to the back where we fold these little side panels in, and then we slide it upward like that. And then you come to the back, you slide this piece backward, and then you, again, this little tab back here, right there, you see right there, you just kind of fold it down and you just push on the back till it clicks like this. And turning him around, you straighten out his arms, you just move this piece back up like that, hinge it upward, and you do that on both sides. Then you fold out the hand right here and you do the same on the other side like that. Then we are going to straighten everything out. So we're going to take this piece, put it on the wheel like this. There's a little groove right here that would fit in on the wheel right here. And you just fold these pieces in. You know, you can angle this out if you want, and then make sure there's a little tab right here. But on my copy, it does not tab in well. So you kind of just push on it, and if it doesn't fit, which on my copy it doesn't, but it just sits right there like that. The final step is taking this piece and putting it in these little tabs right here, clicking in like that. And there we have Roadbuster back in his robot mode. So that is my completed tutorial on how to transform Roadbuster from robot mode to vehicle mode and back. I hope this actually helped you guys out. Let me know in the comments if it did. I will have more videos like this coming really soon for multiple figures in my collection. Anywho, thank you guys all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'm actually very close to 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys can actually hit that subscribe button, I will gladly appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So if you guys can help me make that happen, I will gladly appreciate it. Thank you guys all for watching, and later.